Hey guys, this is Gabriel and welcome to another video of this minimum viable product app launch, and today we're going to learn how to do ASO in just 10 minutes. Now, usually I talk about ASO all day. I'm the ASO expert worldwide and I talk a lot about this, and usually teach people to do this in around 8 hours, okay, of pure content. So my goal here is to show you a very quick trick to start coming up with cool information to do your ASO. So one thing that we learn is that we have all the descriptions that we have about fishing knots. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to find here in a Google Docs, we're going to put the fishing knots keywords, and that's going to be how we're going to find them very easily. So the first thing you're going to do, super easy. Obviously you have one keyword that is, well, guess what, is fishing knots. So that will be the first keyword. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put here in Google, we're going to just in Google Play, we're going to put the word fishing, and very slowly we're going to put knots and see what happens. And you see here we have this kind of suggestion, fishing knots and rigs. So what we're going to do is we're going to just put them automatically in our list of keywords. Very easy. So once again we put fishing and we let it just like that. I mean, give us suggestions, and these are the ones that are going to be keywords that we can actually use in our description, and it's going to allow us to start doing some research. And then we go back again and we put fishing knots, and in this case we get a few little keywords that we can start using when we add our description. Now, do not overthink it and just put all of them you can find, okay? Usually people start overthinking this part. And the important part is just to put as many things as you can. Now, if you go for fishing knots, try to change potentially for knots and then put the word splice and rope work. I can put fishing and see what happens, and then you're going to get potentially more suggestions. One little trick you can do is put A, then put B. And in this case, what C is when you put B and C, you get different type of keywords. And in this case, I get braid, fish knots. Once again, I'm going to select them because I have no idea about this topic. So any kind of keyword that I'm going to come up with is going to be valid for me. So in this case, C, I put the letter D, no, E, F, and we got the free fishing knots and apps. We got the D here, G. And as you can see, it's actually very easy, and it's actually 100% free and allows me to come up with different keywords, and that is actually a great way. Now I found another one called fishing line knots. I'm going to select it here, and here we are. So awesome. Now one of these we're going to do is we're going to start doing some, reverse engineer with ASO. Very easy and and actually it's free, so I like that. What we're going to do is we're going to get this keyword, this app called animated fish knots, and I'm going to go to App Annie. Here is App Annie. You can register for free. It's no big deal. And what you're going to do is you're going to go and paste the app here in App Annie. And I'm going to show you how this works. So pay attention. You put the app here, and you're going to get some of them here. And in this case, we have animate fishing knots, and I'm going to select this one. Just get one app that is there. The first one, as you can see here, this app is for the iOS App Store. So you may be thinking, oh, well, it's iOS, you're just going to work on Google Play. It's not a big deal. We just try to come up with different kind of keywords. Now, obviously, some of the keywords are going to be the typical keywords to do with the type of, of knots, like riffle hitch, stopper knots that we can see here in the screenshots. But if I go to the left side, say keywords and ASO, I'm going to be able to find all these keywords that App Annie is going to suggest for me automatically. And here we are: boating knots, animated tie knots, knot sherry, tie the knot, boating knots, and here are great type of keywords to include. So as you can see, these are good ones. We can put sport fishing knots, animated fishing knots, boating knots. So all these ones are going to be keywords that are going to be related, and we're going to add them because we want to have as many kind of keywords, okay, that are in the same similarity or department. So these are going to be our keywords, for example. And my suggestion is just get 10 long tail keywords, 10 long tail keywords, and you're going to try to repeat these keywords at least 2 times in the description of Google Play, and you're going to put as much content as possible. Now, here's the key point is when you saw the descriptions here of these apps, they were very limited, the descriptions. See here, very, very limited, very short descriptions. We want to make a longer description than anyone else. Let me repeat this. We want to make a longer description than anyone else, so in that way, our app is gonna be better optimized. So what we do once again is we go back to that description that we worked when we launched the app, and we're going to put those new keywords that we just came up with in just 10 minutes. And those keywords are going to start bringing us some traffic. Dead easy, it takes just 10 minutes and it's easy not to do it, and it's actually smart to do it. So I hope you do it right now, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.